want to add a drop-down list to your Google Sheets, TechSoft tutorial got you covered. This video will show you how you can successfully add drop-down lists in your Google Sheets data. To start, open up your Google Sheets data. Now, we're going to add a drop-down list for this data. You select the cells where you want the drop-down list to be in. Now, you click on the Data tab at the top of the screen and you click on Data Validation. A pop-up dialog box will appear on the right here. You click on Add Row. Now, you choose the range you want the drop-down list to be in. It is already selected there. Next, in the criteria section, you click on it and choose drop down. Now you'll be prompted to choose the drop down options you want to show. You can create more by clicking or pressing on your enter key, or you click on add another value. When you're done with the options, you click on done. Now you can see that the drop down list or the drop down arrow appears for all of these lists. When you click on it, it shows the options you suggested. So guys, you have successfully added drop down lists to your Google Sheets data. Hope you find this video informative. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more useful videos. Bye guys, see you in the next video.